Navy your first choice, or what other branch you had in mind?
Marine Corps.
Why Marine Corps?
That's where my brotherhood is. It's where I was supposed to be in general, actually.
What happened? What was the case that like you didn't join that branch? Uh, why you choose the Navy?
I chose the Navy to get out of my home state because I was going through some hell over there. Learned to find out that blood family doesn't really mean shit. Excuse me for the language, but was under so much pressure that I couldn't even pass their ASVAB score. But the Navy dropped their points down to 16 down at Colorado. So I took that chance to get out of my home state and start a new life. As soon as I came here and realized how bad it is for me, I really wish I stayed homeless for the next 3 months so I can actually get into the Marine Corps. That's how bad I don't like it here.
Do you like the Navy, or you think this is the right decision, or you thinking about switching later on to the Marines?
Oh, I'm switching to the Marines, all right. That's where my brotherhood and my family is.
Sounds good, man. Appreciate it.